Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off people you may know in Facebook for Android. Go to Facebook, so scroll up to go to your apps, scroll over, go to Facebook. Now click on your picture in the top right hand corner if you're not already on it. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, go to Settings and Privacy, go to Settings. Under Preferences, go to Notifications. Go to People You May Know. From here, you can turn off push notifications, email notifications, SMS notifications, and you can also turn off allow notifications on Facebook. To turn them off, simply flip the switches to the left. So I'm going to turn off SMS, push, and allow notifications on Facebook. Turn off notifications. You won't receive them on Facebook by push, email, or SMS. Click Turn Off. So that is how you turn off people you may know on Facebook for Android. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.